Hi everyone, in today's session we are going to see about instruction and instruction sequencing and a computer organization and architecture. Instructions. Instructions are nothing but these are the set of codes which were written in any language which is understood by the system, and it is capable of performing the required operation which was specified on that instruction set. These codes are usually zeros and ones. As I have said earlier, whatever the language which we are giving, the compiler and assembler will be converting that language program or instruction into the machine readable form, machine language, that is zeros and ones. Then only the machine will become capable of performing that operations. And it consists of instructions or tasks that controls the movement of bits and bytes within the processor. That is nothing but whatever the instructions or data, whichever it is stored in the memory locations, are grouped together into an n bits into bytes, right? As I have said, for example, 8 bit of word is equal to 1 byte. In such a way, few bytes will be gathered into a word length, and it will be stored on the memory location of equal partitioning. So this movement of a program or instruction is mentioned as which consists of the movement of byte address within the processor. And the computer instruction must be capable of performing four major operations that is mentioned in this. First operation is nothing but it must be able to transfer data between the memory and the processor. As I have said earlier, in the memory location and addresses, the data which we need to perform the operation will be taken from fetched from the memory location, and the output result will be stored again to the destination. So the in and out movement of data between memory and processor must be mandatory. And second one is arithmetic and logical operations are to be performed on the data. After fetching the data, the arithmetic and logical operations are to be performed. And third one is program sequencing and control. Program sequencing and control is nothing but after reading the instruction of the program, what are the actions to be performed for that particular instruction line will be passed to the system in the uh, manner of control signals. That is, it will be passed as an interrupt signals. Interrupt signals are nothing but whenever if you want system want to perform a task, interrupt signals will be raised, and from that signals uh, the service will be performed to the control signal as interrupt service routine. So those signals are referred to as program sequencing and control. And sequencing refers to which action to be performed prior and next which action to be scheduled. As I have seen in the first topic, which involves PC and IR, whereas the IR instruction register holds the current instruction which is getting executed, and PC has the next instruction which is going to be executed after execution of that current instruction. So that is the sequence. After completing the instruction line on the IR will be updated with the value of PC. Further, and the PC will be incremented to the next addressing location. So this is the sequence of operation which are performed in the program. This is mentioned as program sequencing and control. It is also performed by the instructions only. And finally, IO transfer. IO transfer is nothing but it is input output transfer, whereas for performing an operation only we are giving the program or coding or instruction, whatever it is. For performing that operation, we need to give the datas which are mandatory for performing that operation. That is the input for those in a program. And after performing the operation, the output will be uh, transferred to the user or the concerned memory location. That is the IO transfer which is mentioned in this. So the instruction must be capable of performing this four operation, nothing but data transfer between the memories and performing operations, and it must be capable of controlling the sequence of execution, and it is responsible for IO transfers.